Hello everyone, welcome to ATT. Hello guys, my name is Alhasan and today's topic is going to be about how SSDs work. But before that, I'm going to tell you about our great sponsor, T-Pro. If you want to learn more about it, go into the description, download the browser for kids. And then today we are talking about SSD. Everybody knows that. What is an SSD? A solid state drive (SSD) is a solid state storage device that uses integrated circuit assemblies to store data percently, typically using flash memory, functioning as secondary storage in the heritage of computer storage. It's also sometimes called a solid-state device or a solid-state disk, even though SSDs lack the physical spinning disk and the moving read-write head used in hard drive, HDD, and floppy disks. In the SSD, more reliable than a hard drive. Yes, SSDs are more durable than HDDs in extreme and harsh environments because they don't have moving parts like the actuator arm. SSDs can withstand accidental drops and other shocks to vibration, extreme temperatures, and magnetic fields better than HDDs drives. Okay, yes, a SSD is more reliable than a hard drive, but in storage, HDD drives can hold more quantities of data in them. How does a SSD work? A SSD works in a way. There are each chip on each SSD. That's it. They only work 1 2 1 2 off and on 0 1 0 1. The directories will just continue to go 0 1. So whenever it stores data on it, it will turn to 1. It will not change back. But they can easily fail more than a expected hard drive. A hard drive takes longer time to fail, but it is but in durability, hard drives are not as durable as SSDs. But hard drives last longer than SSDs. They have more capacity to hold data on them and other things that make it better than SSD. But SSDs, today's topic is about SSD. Everybody knows that. Okay? SSDs can do two things. They can either store data or store extra XMP files in the data file. So most Windows PCs today use an SSD to store the Windows because it is more durable than a hard drive. But a backside of that is that an SSD, when you lose your data, you've lost it. The highest your service provider that gave you the SSD can fix your SSD again because of the memory is lost in the cloud. So, but in a hard drive, they can still fix the hard drive disk and recover some data, not all of them. How does a hard drive work? A hard drive has a giant mega disk that can hold 1 terabyte, 1 gigabyte, and 10 terabytes a second. So there's now an actuator arm that is placed on that disk. Okay, when the system asks, I'm looking for file from USA, it will just look through and the arm will say, this is where the file is, and it will start to read where the file is. But it is slower than an SSD. That is the only main problem. That's why if you want to just use an SSD, rather get an SSD that will be more reliable, expensive. If you see cheap SSD, you might think they might give you the real deal. That's the fake deal. Everyone knows that. And I don't usually buy SSDs. I buy hard drive. I know I know that SSDs are better than hard drives, but my storage uses more space. That's why I use hard drives instead of SSDs. Thank you for watching this video. Like or dislike the video. Thank you.